I feel very happy when I'm running. I have music or a book in my ear, running in the forest or with the lake. It's my meditation to run. I love it. And when I came to the factory, it's the same. I don't like to sit still, so it's good for me to work with my hands. I want to keep my body in good condition for the job, so I can be there many more years. I build transformers for 24 years. I work in the active part, and that's where all the important parts come together. I'm proud of my job because every step has to be perfect. We're always helping each other. So we are talking and figure out how to do this and what do you think about that. When there's a challenge, I want to be a part of it. From the beginning to the units are finished, it takes months. Every unit is unique, so when they passed all the tests and everything, we can be proud.
We see transformers as an integral part of the energy transition in many countries. We have over 20 factories in the large power transformer. The transformer allows you to increase and decrease the level of voltage. One fundamental area of the energy transition is linked to the interconnection between countries. You may have excess of power in one country that you want to transfer to another country. So our product is going to help not only the exchange of power, but they are going to increase the reliability of the network.
The factory opened 1900, and it's bringing a lot of people from all over the world to work and live in Ludvika. The factory means very much for the town because many in Ludvika work there.
Ludvika for the past 122 years have been a fundamental partner. If you think about where and when everything started, Ludvika became very quickly a major center for innovation. In Ludvika we developed the first large transformer that connected two different geographies.
My father, he has been working many years at the factory. He's retired now. Till today, people who had worked with him at the factory are coming, "Oh, say hello to your dad." And I hope I will be working at the factory longer than him. I love my father because he's always there for me. He's the best. I think the family is important.
People like Anna, the past 20+ years, have been a very strong continuation on what her family did for over 40 years. It is always beautiful to see how strong the family link to the company is generation after generation. And this is part of the reason Ludvika is such an important and central point for Hitachi Energy. I see a future where Hitachi Energy is going to have a dramatic impact, driven by technology. But the impact is mostly coming because we have great people. It is the focus on the people, nothing more than that.